Hi guys, so I got these nails. They're fake, but I really want to put them on. So I'm going to try to do that today. There's more nails in this, so we can have one set on now because I'm not going to have them on that long. I'm going to tape them on because look at oh, where is it? Like these, but I'm going to wear them. I'm only going to take one set on with tape because I'm not able to take it off with this stuff, so I'm going to choose to do it. So I taped them on, but guys, I need to take them off tomorrow because tomorrow I'm going to like a place. Look at this. Bye guys. No, I cannot